Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my motovlogging setup and why I think this is the most efficient and cost-effective way to go about it. So let's jump into it. I wear a Shoei RF1200 along with a Motorad's chin mount. In addition to that, I will be running this J-hook with some extensions for a better angle, a GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition, a mini USB adapter provided by the Purple Panda, and an external microphone. The reason why I'm not using the Purple Panda microphone is because it's just too much wiring for me and I just don't want to deal with all that stuff. But if you were wondering what the process was like, this is pretty much it right here. This would be the Purple Panda mic connecting to an additional adapter that's provided by the Purple Panda, connecting to the mini USB adapter. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so the install is pretty much a piece of cake. Let's go ahead and slide the adapter in to the GoPro. Tighten that puppy up. Not too much, but you know, tight enough. Go ahead and clip it in. Okay, so I cut a little hole right here so I can slide the adapter through here. And then just go ahead and connect it like so. Connect the mic like so. Tuck the rest inside the cheek pad. I wish you guys can see, but this is going to be so difficult. Yeah, I don't have enough light, I'm sorry. But I'm going to go ahead and do the rest and I'll show you guys the final product. And there you have it, folks. We got the mini USB cable running through the chin guard right there, super flush. And we got the microphone right over here. So I say this is a cost-effective setup is because you don't have to go out and buy that ridiculous GoPro mic adapter that's going to run you about $80 to $100. There's just no point in that. So go ahead, save yourself some money, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
But if you guys are wondering the sound comparison between the generic and the purple mic, click on the next video.